I'm going to be showing you how to easily make another Supercell ID account. Now this is how you make multiple accounts on every single Supercell game. It works the same way. I'm going to be doing it on Clash Royale, but the first thing you need to do is you simply need to open up the app. Now once you've actually opened up the app, you can actually see we want to go into the settings on this, and how you do this is you click on the three lines in the top right hand corner of the screen, and you're going to go down to settings right here, and then you can click on the Supercell ID right here. When you click on this, you'll actually display your profile for your Supercell ID right here, and you basically want to go to the gear icon in the top left hand corner of the screen, and you can actually see all of your Supercell ID information here. In this case, we just want to click on the log out option right here. If you don't have an account in the first place, you need to create one, otherwise you cannot have multiple accounts. But once you click on log out, you simply click on log out like so, and you basically want to click on the play without Supercell ID option. When you do this, it's basically going to bring you into the Clash Royale app, but you can see we're creating a new account like so, and you're basically going to need to speed run the tutorial. It will take you like 2 to 3 minutes, so. And you can see right here, once you've actually beat the tutorial, all you're going to want to do is you click on these three lines in the top right hand corner of the screen, and you want to go to the option called Supercell ID, or you can click on settings and then click on Supercell ID from here. Once you do this, you can simply scroll through all these tabs and then click on get started, and you can actually see we want to click on register a new Supercell ID. And when you click on this, you basically just want to click on continue. You can actually choose any email that you already have. In doing so, you're basically just going to need to click on the create option here, and you can basically type in the verification code, and you'll be able to choose just a profile icon as well as the color background for your new Supercell ID account on this page like so. And once you're signed in, all you need to do to switch back between accounts is you can log out of these pages like so, and you can basically click on the three lines in the top right hand corner, and you can basically click on this arrow icon right here, and you can easily switch between accounts if you want to switch between your new account or your old account, and you can create a third account and so on, just using the same method. And if you found this video helpful, consider leaving a like on it, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.